This is what's gonna be lit off. Yeah. Holy crap, I can't see. Oh, there we go. Did I hit your core? I'm sorry. Crap, let's... Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Go to our area. I'm gonna let mine off first. Or what went off right? Really? Are you serious? I'm gonna pause it until we find it. Okay, look. That's what we got. Got a little canister. Yeah, okay, ready? I don't know what this thing's gonna do. Oh, sick! It's like a smoke bomb. Don't go on top of the Corey. Shoot it right at your face, Corey. That's awesome. There's a little smoke bomb. Oh, it's melted. Nah, put it in. Easy ignition. Okay, I'm gonna pause until we get the next one in. Okay, here we go. Wait, get away from it, Corey! Corey, get away from it! It's gonna show up in your face! Freaking idiot. Oh, almost! Almost went off. You gotta take your out of there. Damn it. Almost went off, dude. Almost shot up. How do they make it so good? Hey, wait, let me dig a little hole. Take it out, take it out. Step on. Corey, just get out, dig a little hole. Hold it. No, I'm not holding it, screw you. Look, I'm digging a little hole, now put it in. Come on. Hold it, dude, keep holding it. Here we go. Jesus Christ. This is a big one? Oh my god, dude. That one almost went off, dude. This one will surely go off. What? Come on, dude, hurry. I'm wasting battery. But it's gonna shoot right near you. Shooting near me now. Leave it that way, whatever. Oh my god, this is the big one. Yeah! Oh my god! That was awesome! Dude! That was awesome! That was freaking awesome, dude. Look at that! That was freaking awesome. Take it out before it starts a fire. That's what's left of it, dude. What's left of it? Dude, I'm gonna show your mom this video.